It's nice here.
Oh, han var jätteung ju.
Laoy, ano sa ilahang minteryo ka, clean.
3 år.
Clean and...
1988, 2011.
Ha, 1920! My God. Pila naman na yung edad? Namatay siya 2007. Loy, very clean.
2008.
Have you seen, guys? The cemetery of Sweden, it's very clean and very organizing. And then each may mga flowers sila, oh. It looks amazing. Si Chase, mga patay. Look at here in our video.